In this video of YouTube marketing course, we are going to talk about the keywords, that how to do keyword research for your YouTube videos. Yes guys, keywords are one of the most important factor in ranking your videos on YouTube, because end of the day YouTube is also a search engine, and if you don't know, YouTube is world's second biggest search engine after Google. Now I think you get to know that how important it is to optimize your videos according to the important keywords on which your videos can rank. Right now you need to understand that what are the types of those keywords and how you can find out the best potential keywords for your videos. So let me go to the next slide, and here you need to understand that we do have only three types of keywords. The first one is short tail keywords, then mid tail keywords, and then long tail keywords, right? So short tails are very competitive, or you can say highly competitive. Mid tails are also highly competitive, but sometimes you get some good quality of mid tail keywords as well, but still they are highly competitive. Then we have long tails, which has acceptable amount of competition, but the thing is long tail has the least amount of traffic or the least amount of searches. Now let's directly jump into my YouTube account and learn how to find out that which is short tail, which is mid tail, or which is long tail, right? So guys, as you can see right now I am in my YouTube platform, right? This is my YouTube account. Now here I'll be going to search YouTube marketing, right? If I search YouTube marketing, so this is only two keywords, or this you can say only two words, YouTube and marketing. Oops, yes, YouTube and marketing. And if I hit the search button, this is called a short tail keyword. Why it is short tail keyword? Because this has only two words. And if I go with like YouTube marketing full course, or maybe YouTube marketing course only, this will become a mid tail keyword, because now it has more than two or three words, right? And if I add few words extra like YouTube marketing full course for beginners, or maybe like YouTube marketing full course in English, like this, I have added a language preference as well. Now I need YouTube marketing that should be full course and in English language. So this is how a long tail keywords looks like, because it has more than four words or four or five words. So there's no any limitation that a long tail keyword should be more than four words, but the thing is you need to understand the science behind it. This keyword has more conditions, like the product should be YouTube marketing, right? And it should be full course, and then it should be in English. So this is how long tail keywords forms, with many conditions. Right now here, if I hit the enter button, you will be able to see that all the YouTube marketing course, and which is in English, not in any other language, right? So this is now very specific search, and this is what a long tail keyword is used for, to do some specific searches. Now let's say if I just search YouTube marketing, so you'll be not able to understand that what people are looking for, YouTube marketing course, or just want to know about YouTube marketing, or what is YouTube marketing, or maybe they are looking for some services related to YouTube marketing. So there's no intention, right? The intention is not defined. So if you are getting or understanding the intention of the searcher, then it will be the long tail keyword, that as I already shown you, right? Now in order to find a good keyword or potential keywords for your YouTube video, you need to install this vidIQ extension. I've already shown you that what is the process, how to install it, and I've given you the full tutorial on how to use vidIQ tool in the previous video. You can go through the playlist and you'll be able to find the video full tutorial of vidIQ. Now after installing the vidIQ, you'll be able to see that there is a score board over here. And now if I search here, let's say I just search YouTube marketing, so this vidIQ search panel will show me the competition or the difficulty and the volume of this particular keyword, right? If I hit the search button, and as you can see, this keyword has around 59 volume. This is basically calculated from 0 to 100. Then the competition is like medium, and some extra data is getting loaded. Now as you can see, the data has been loaded, and you will be able to see that in this particular keyword the video ranks, and the highest video has around 3 million views, basically the top video which ranks on this keyword, right? Then the average view, then average subscriber, and added last 7 days, basically in last 7 days. And then CCCC is like subtitle, which means 19th video, from 19 video only 5 videos have subtitles. So you should also add subtitles. It helps in ranking your video as well. Then average age 2 years, then times in title, and then times in description and all. So these are the data about this keyword. Now you don't have to see these things, you don't have to see this data, you just have to see only this data, you just have to analyze this data, right? And you need to find out that the keyword has around medium or low competition. Volume should be anything, but the competition should be low and medium, not more than that. The competition shouldn't be high, right? Now let's say I have searched YouTube marketing full course. So this is the keyword, right? This is a mid tail keyword. Now it is, again, the data is getting loaded. So what you can do is you can just add one notepad while publishing the video. In order to find out the keywords, you can add one notepad over here, and you can go to the YouTube. Basically this one is here, and here you can find out the keywords. Like this keyword has good volume and the competition is medium. So what I can do is I can pick up this keyword, I can just copy this keyword and go to my notepad and paste it over here, and just hit the comma space and select the next keyword. Otherwise, without space, you can just add the another keyword like YouTube millionaire course for free. You are getting some extra suggestions over here. Let's see this keyword as well. Let's see the potential of this keyword. Right, my internet is a bit slow. Volume is good, but the competition is high, so don't go for this keyword. Let's remove this. YouTube marketing full course in English. Now we are going with long tail keywords. Now in your initial days, long tail keywords are more preferable, because long tail keywords are more easier to rank, which means you can easily rank on long tail keywords compared to short tail keywords, because short tail keywords are more competitive. So in your initial days, go for only long tail keywords, right? And if gradually you are ranking on long tail keywords, if the users are watching your videos and if they are getting engaged, then gradually your videos will appear in the mid tail and the short tail keywords as well, and that too automatically. You don't have to add those extra keywords in future, right? So go for the long tail keywords, because these are less competition, less competitive, and easy to rank. Right now, just as you can see, this has medium competition and low volume is 40, so it is okay. I've just copy it and paste it here. Right, just hit the comma button and you can do the same procedure again and again, right? And you can find out at least 13-14 good potential keywords, and you can add those keywords into the title, in the description, and the tags section of your video. I hope you got the point. I hope you understood the procedure and you find this video helpful. If you do so, do subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit that like button and the share button. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.